Good day everyone. For today's video, we're going to solve a problem solving about torsion. So first problem is we have a given spindle EB. C equals to 1/2 times 1/75 inch. A makuha times 0.875 inch. L is equals to 12 inch. Tall is equals to 12 psi. D is equals to 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 psi. G is equals to T over 2 times C4. So it was 5 over 2 times 0.875 to the power of 4. So 1 times 0.92077 and 62 to the power of 4. So sa slit CD, natay given nga C1 is equals to 1.5 inch, C2 is equals to 1.5 inch, L is equals to 8 inch, L is equals to 7 SI, D is equals to 5.6 times 10 to the power of 6 psi, G is equals to 4.1172 inch to the power of 4. So solution is A is equals to T equals 0.92077 times 12 over 0.875. I-calculate na ito siya makakuha ang 12.63 feet inch. So next is pagkuha sa T is equals to GT over C2. So ipag-in na ito nga ito sa meters. So we have 4 times 4.1772 over 15 times 7. Makakuha din sa 19.21 feet inch. So ang angle of twist is 0.375 times pi over 180. Calculate ko siya makakuha ang 6.545 times 10 to the power of negative 3 pi. So next is angle of twist equals to PL over GG. So angle of twist nato is 6.545 times 10 negative to the power of negative 3 equals T times 8 over 4 times 17 times 5.6 times 10 to the power of 6. I-shift solve mo siya, makakuha rin na T is equals to 88.868 inch. Sa B is we have angle of twist E is equals to angle of twist AB over B equals angle of twist EB plus angle of twist C over D. So we have a formula of T1L over BD1 equals plus L1 over D1 D1. So i-plug in na ito ang ating given. So we have 12.63 times 10 to the power of 3 times 12 over 6.92077 times 11.12 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 8 over 4.1772 times 5.6 times 10 to the power of 6. I-calculate na ito siya, makakuha din ito ang angle twist A is equals to 0.01908 grad or 1.093 degree. That's all. Thank you.